Hey car lovers! So, you've got your eyes on the Range Rover Sport, and who can blame you? It's the perfect combination of luxury, performance, and rugged appeal. But here's the thing, owning one of these SUVs isn't just about the initial price tag. Many owners are shocked to find out just how expensive it is to maintain. You might be wondering, why is this car so costly to keep in good condition? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to break down the secret to why the Range Rover Sport is so expensive to maintain. From high-end parts to specialized labor, there are a number of factors that contribute to those hefty repair bills. Whether you're already a Range Rover owner or considering getting one, this video will help you understand exactly what you're getting into. Let's jump into the top 10 reasons why maintaining this luxury SUV comes at such a steep cost. 10. Luxury brand premium. The first thing that drives up the cost of maintaining the Range Rover Sport is simply the fact that it's a luxury brand. Land Rover, the parent company, is known for offering a premium experience, and that's reflected in every part of the car. When you own a luxury vehicle, you're not just paying for the car itself, you're also paying for the status, the craftsmanship, and the quality of the materials. When it comes to repairs or servicing, the luxury status means that you'll be paying a premium for parts and labor. Regular, everyday cars are typically cheaper to fix and maintain because they don't have the same level of craftsmanship and luxury materials. With the Range Rover Sport, every small component, from the leather trim to the advanced technology features, comes at a higher cost to maintain and replace. 9. Expensive parts. One of the main reasons why the Range Rover Sport is costly to maintain is because of the parts themselves. Parts for luxury vehicles like this one are generally more expensive due to their quality and the brand's focus on providing the best materials. Whether it's a small component like a brake pad or a major part like the engine, replacement parts for the Range Rover Sport come with a hefty price tag. What makes this even more expensive is that some parts can only be sourced directly from the manufacturer. This means you can't always go for cheaper third-party options. If your car needs parts that are unique to the Range Rover Sport, you're going to be paying for OEM, original equipment manufacturer, parts which will typically be much more expensive than aftermarket alternatives. 8. Labor costs and specialized service. Maintaining the Range Rover Sport requires specialized knowledge and expertise. These vehicles are filled with advanced technology, sophisticated electronics, and high-performance features that require highly trained technicians to service. This means that the labor costs for maintenance or repairs are significantly higher compared to a regular car. The dealership or a specialist repair center is where most Range Rover owners will have to go for service, and both options are typically more expensive than your average mechanic. Specialized labor also means longer service times, which will increase the overall cost. 7. Complexity of the technology. The Range Rover Sport comes packed with high-tech features, from its infotainment system to its advanced driver assistance technologies. While these systems make driving more enjoyable and safer, they also make maintenance more complicated and expensive. When things go wrong with the electrical systems, the electronics, or the software, it often requires specialized diagnostic equipment and software updates to pinpoint the problem and fix it. Unlike a more basic car, which might only need physical repairs or part replacements, a Range Rover Sport could require highly specific software updates or recalibrations for its advanced systems. For instance, if the air suspension or active safety systems fail, repairs can get costly, as the technology behind these systems is intricate and requires a skilled technician to fix. 6. Air suspension issues. A common problem that many Range Rover Sport owners experience is with its air suspension system. While air suspension provides a smooth ride and the ability to adjust the vehicle's ride height, it's also a feature that is prone to failure. When the air suspension starts to fail, it can result in expensive repairs. Replacing or repairing parts of the air suspension can be costly, particularly if it involves replacing all of the components. This type of repair requires specialized knowledge and equipment, so it's not a job you can just take to your local mechanic. Since it's such an integral part of the vehicle's performance and comfort, failing to fix it can result in even bigger issues, making it a priority that can drive up costs. 5. Transmission problems. The Range Rover Sport is a high-performance vehicle, and its transmission is one of the key components that ensure smooth shifting and efficient power delivery. However, like any complex mechanical system, the transmission can develop problems over time. If you need to repair or replace the transmission in your Range Rover Sport, you can expect to pay a significant amount. The cost to replace a transmission can run into the thousands of dollars, and it's one of the most expensive repairs a vehicle owner can face. If you're looking to save money, staying on top of your car's maintenance schedule is crucial to prevent transmission failure in the first place. 4. Frequent oil changes and fluid replacements. Regular oil changes and fluid replacements are crucial to keeping your Range Rover Sport in top condition. But with such a powerful engine and a highly tuned performance system, these changes can come around more frequently than in other vehicles. Not only do you need to replace the oil, but you also need to change out other essential fluids like transmission fluid, brake fluid, and differential fluid. The costs of these fluid replacements can add up over time. While this is a routine maintenance task for most vehicles, the fact that the Range Rover Sport uses high-end oils and fluids means you'll be spending more than you would on a standard vehicle. Skipping regular oil changes can lead to bigger problems down the line, so it's essential to stay on top of these costs if you want to maintain the longevity and performance of your vehicle. 3. Frequent tire replacements. If you've ever looked at the tires on a Range Rover Sport, you know they're not your standard, run-of-the-mill tires. These high-performance tires are designed to handle a variety of terrains and driving conditions, including off-roading. While they're great for providing traction and handling, they're also more expensive to replace than regular tires. Additionally, because the Range Rover Sport is a heavy vehicle with significant horsepower, it can put more wear and tear on the tires. Depending on your driving habits, you might need to replace your tires more often than you would on other vehicles. 2. High-performance brake system. When you're driving a performance vehicle like the Range Rover Sport, you need a braking system that can keep up with the power under the hood. The vehicle is equipped with a high-performance braking system that uses advanced components like ventilated discs, larger calipers, and high-quality brake pads. While these components are built to handle the vehicle's power, they also come with a higher price tag. Over time, brake pads and discs wear out and need to be replaced. Since the Range Rover Sport is designed to perform at high speeds and handle tough terrain, the brake system can wear out more quickly than in regular cars. 1. Depreciation and resale value. While not a maintenance cost per se, the Range Rover Sport's depreciation rate can significantly affect the total cost of ownership. Like most luxury vehicles, the Range Rover Sport loses value over time, and maintaining it properly is crucial to ensuring it holds some of its value for resale. If you fail to keep up with regular maintenance, the resale value of the vehicle could decrease significantly. Not only will you have to spend money on repairs, but you'll also lose money when it's time to sell or trade in the vehicle. There you have it. The Range Rover Sport might be a dream car for many, but it comes with its fair share of expensive maintenance. From high-end parts to specialized labor, the cost of keeping this luxury SUV in top condition can add up quickly. If you're planning on buying one, or already own one, make sure you're ready for the costs associated with maintenance. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more car-related content. We've got plenty more coming your way, so stay tuned for more tips, reviews, and in-depth discussions about your favorite vehicles. Thanks for watching.